Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and I just have a quick one today. But today I learned that mindset is everything. Your mindset is how you look at things and how you're thinking about things, and how, like, a foundation for how you are a foundation for the decisions you're making and how you are thinking about things and how you are reacting to things. And it's just like a foundation for everything, right? And your mind, like your thoughts, it's like that's where everything originates from, right? Like you can't, unless it's like a physical, like involuntary, like reflex, right? All of your important decisions and important thoughts and all of those things, they all come from up here. They all come from your mind. So your mindset is really just the foundation for everything, and you want to make sure you have a good mindset, a good frame of thinking about things. I'm a Christian, so I try to have a godly mindset. I try to think about things in light of the Bible and what the Bible says and what God says. But yeah, your mindset is just the most important thing. It gives you your intentions. It gives you your why behind everything you're doing. Your why is what fuels into everything else, into what you're doing and how you're doing it. So you need to make sure you have a good foundation. For some reason, my phone is being really weird with its camera, so I'll have to end it right here. But if you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. If you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.